Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And as I was saying, good morning. Today is a morning breakfast. Chef Michael McDermott with Chef Michael's Food Hacks. We are making delicious sprouted grain French toast with turkey sausage. Yum! Okay, as I was saying, today we are making French toast. Now, very important. The ingredients of the French toast is more important than the actual French toast, okay? Of course. Now, what I have in the batter is I mixed together yogurt. I've got 4 eggs in here. I've got a little bit of sugar, a little bit of olive oil, some lemon juice. What else? Yogurt, I already said, eggs, and I've got some almond milk in here. Now, the bread is really important. This is sprouted oat bread. I get it at the Kroger, which is a Fry's. It's fairly inexpensive, but it's much more healthy. Now look how nice this French toast is coming out. The yogurt gives a lot of moisture to the bread, and it's just a little bit of yogurt, a couple teaspoonfuls. And then I've got some cinnamon in here as well, but look how nice this is coming out. Also, these griddles are really cool. This is a little electric griddle. I've got it right on top of the counter, as you can see. And it's this is a fairly simple, easy breakfast. Now you get one of these griddles, look how wide the space is, okay? I can do 6 pieces of French toast at once. Now another thing I want to tell you, which is really important, my son's probably going to only eat 2 pieces of French toast, okay? I can take the other 4, let it cool a little while on the counter, about 5-10 minutes, and I'm going to put it in the freezer and just cool it. I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes. I'm just going to cool the French toast. Then I can put it in meal kits with the sausage that I made. I'm walking away from the camera for a second. I made some nice turkey sausage. See? And then he'll have that with a nice glass of juice and a banana. Some complete meal. It burns very slowly and it tastes fantastic. We also do a brown rice syrup, flavored maple. Brown rice, I don't know if you know this, but it is a complex carbohydrate. So it burns slower, even more so than maple syrup. And in just a sec, I'll show you what the plate looks like. Okay, here it is, my son's breakfast. Beautiful French toast made with sprouted grain bread, some turkey sausage, and a little bit of garnish there with some syrup. Anyway, I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.